Welcome. In front of me is a Lenovo Tab M9, and today I'll show you how you can insert SD card into this device. Now, before you get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which comes provided with the device in the box. Now, if you can't find one of these tools, you could also use a paper clip, strain out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, from there, locate the tray, which is located on the opposite side of the buttons. I'm not exactly sure if we're supposed to count this as a... Yes, if the camera is on the top, then this is the left side. So anyway, once you find the little tray, push the pin in, and you can see that the tray comes out ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it and take it out. On the tray you will have space for just a single SD card, so place it on the tray, make sure it clips into place. It is supposed to hold in there without falling out, and then insert it back into your device. Now the card should start working right away. And you can see it right here. So it is being detected without a problem. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.